Not a bad little overnight stopover. Right beneath the traffic, but it was constant enough that it was just like white noise, so slept like babies. Down to Cooly today. We're in Coolangatta at the moment, and it has bucketed down for the last 2 days. We had 40 mil overnight the first night, another 40 the second night, and I don't know how much between, and now we're sort of seeing the worst of it. We've just got a flood warning from the SES saying have a plan to, you know, get out, and I'm just having a quick look at the roads and the water levels around here, and she's getting pretty full. Most of the roads have just got, they've got massive puddles all over it. I'm going down to have a look at the beach, see what that's doing. But yeah, the Tweed River, that catchment area is looking quite full. So we'll see what happens. Caravan's pretty much ready to go if we need to. I mean, it's kind of exciting in a way, isn't it really? But at the same time, you know, I don't want to get stuck in it. Let's see, I'm pulling up to the beach now. There's no one down here today. That's a first. Down here, just thick. This is out at Snapper Rocks. There's a couple. Oh man, you know, there's better days to surf than this one. Crazy. Damn! Jeez. Why would you bother, really? Well, they got in there. They're already just got bush down there. That's the water level there, and we're camped just in there. We're like literally a metre above sea level, so it gets much worse. There. My wipers are on full and I'm hardly clearing it. Having a field day. Hard to see, but that's the river. And this is the caravan park. Oh, it's getting close. They went down from the other catchment. The river was expected to hit 4.2 metres tonight. Yes, 2.9 of that community escaped from it, and this time. Well, we didn't get flooded, but this river has just turned like this. real murky colour. Like it was so beautiful and blue before. Should have got the drone up then. Go again. Whoa. So we did a little day trip up to Mount Tamborine, which is where my great grandparents live. And we hadn't seen them in a few years because of COVID, so they couldn't come down to Tassie and there. So yeah, it was nice to be able to pop in. It was super short notice. We sort of flicked them a message and caught up with them the next day, which was nice. They shouted us some lunch, fish and chips at their local. And yeah, after that, the kids and Zoe and I, we went out to the Botanical Gardens, which was stunning. And then we hit up this Treetop adventure place for the kids, which they just had a blast at. We gave them the choice of, like, we've been to like 3 or 4 zoos already. So we said, look, you can go to Australia Zoo or you can have a look at this zipline place. And they chose the ziplining straight away, which is cool because I wanted to go there as well. They're too young for like SeaWorld and all of the other theme parks. So we'll save that for another day. But yeah, the kids just had a blast here. I'm surprised actually. I thought they were going to be a little bit more hesitant and cautious with the heights and that, but they just straight into it.
Eels before. It might be a we found an eel.
Are you dancing? Where's the blue bridge? Can you see it?
Turtles.
Turtles?
Yeah.
Where? I can't see any. Where's the turtle? I couldn't see it. I'll go through the garden. Do you know where you're going? Which way are we going? No, not through there. Wait. Where are you gonna go? Don't know. Oi, come back here. We're gonna find Xavier now. Oh, hello. Bye.
And there's even that shining wall. That would be.
Xavier, where are we?
I don't know.
The zip line.
Everybody! How is it, Ellie? Hey, dude. Yoo-hoo! Hold on. Hey. Yeah, bossy. Yes, you can. No. Woohoo! That face. That's the sky.
He was holding on to his tip.
I will. Elle, look how high off the ground you are. Oh yeah.
No, I got a business in Hobart.
Ah.
Reach for the next crack one.
You're doing great, Tweedy.
Out around the tree.
Whoa, reach it.
Good job, mamie.
Hey, El.
Yeah!
Hey, dude. Keep going.
She goes there.
Oh my god.
That's it. El. Go, go, go. That's it. Climb across, climb across, climb across. Davey. Dave. Is that good fun? Thanks, Mum. Thanks, Dad. Elle. Thanks, Mum. Thanks, Dad.